for the data from one system to another system without using of network. So the Li-Fi uses infrared rays and ultraviolet rays to transmit the data from one system to another system, whereas Wi-Fi uses radio waves which will weak the signals at some times. And this data transmission of Li-Fi will provide high-speed data transmission compared to the Wi-Fi technology, and also it will transfer the data from one system to another system in a secure manner. But the Li-Fi will not penetrate to the walls, so it will transfer data to only a limited area with security and with high data transmission. The Li-Fi is used in very mostly areas like home, business, which we use where we use Wi-Fi. There we will use Li-Fi also, but where Wi-Fi will slows down its capacity, so instead of that we are using Li-Fi. So the working of this Li-Fi is, here we have a receiver and transmitter. We have to identify a transmitter by, it consists of LED, which is a sensor, and we identify receiver, it has a photo detector. The information which we are passing, here we are passing information from one computer to another computer without using of the network. First of all, we have to give information to a computer. Next, it will process the data in an encrypted format. It will taken by the transmitter, which is LED light. Has been taken this encoded information, and it will be received by the receiver, that is photo detector, and it will sense the data and process the data, which is encoded format, that will be decoded after taking the information by the receiver. And the data will be converted into the digital to analog, which is human understandable manner. So like this, we have to convert the information from one system to another system. So this is the working principle of the Li-Fi technology, and this will be continued by Amulya.
Applications of Li-Fi. Internet access. Li-Fi is used to provide high-speed internet for the users, whereas homes, public spaces. Patient monitoring. Li-Fi is also used for monitoring the patients and also transmission of their data. In airplanes. Li-Fi technology can be used in airplanes to provide passengers high internet speed. Underwater communication. Radio waves are not work well in underwater to communicate. So we use light to communicate. Smart cities. Li-Fi is used to communicate IoT devices in homes and factories. Military and defense. Li-Fi provides security for information, so we can also use in military and defense.